Welcome to a new fragrance review. Today, we're gonna go see my fragrance rotation of the week that was all around fresh fragrance. So, 7 days, 7 fragrance. We'll start with the first fragrance of last week. It's Drakkar Noir by Laroche. A lot of people will say it's more of 80s powerhouse kind of fragrance, but it's a fresh fragrance actually. There's a lot of soapy notes, there's a lot of citrus notes, there's some lemongrass. It's more green actually than really like lemony fresh kind of fragrance, but it's still a fresh fragrance. Well, it's probably the less fresh of the list, but it's still fresh fragrance. Really beautiful fragrance to wear in summer if you like 80s fragrance. It's more of a forest vibe kind of fragrance when you wear it in summer. A bit more of a soapy fragrance in winter. Next fragrance, Inis, the energy of the sea, a new fragrance that I discovered not so long ago. Review is going to be this week. Smells nice. It's a nice little aquatic fragrance. You can take a look at it. If my videos it's already online, you can go see the full review of the fragrance. It's a nice fragrance. It reminds me a little bit of Acqua di Parma, and this type of fragrance. Necessarily it's not a clone, but it reminds me of Acqua di Parma. Next fragrance, Polo Blue, the original one. Really a beautiful fragrance. Nice aquatic fragrance. I always say that it's my favorite 90s fragrance, even though it was made in 2005. This was made with the art of the 90s fragrance. Really great aquatic fragrance. A lot of melanal inside of it, a lot of melon. It's really, really beautiful fragrance. Doesn't last long, but I really enjoy it. Next fragrance, maybe number 2 into not as fresh as the other one, and it's Grey Flannel by Geoffrey Beene. And Grey Flannel, what's great about it is the note of galbanum. The note of galbanum is really overpowering. A lot of people will see that it smells synthetic. When I smell it, doesn't smell synthetic. It does smell extremely harsh in the beginning, but I think it's part of the charm of the fragrance. That harshness in the beginning is not synthetic, it's galbanum. It's just really herbal. If you smell it and you think that it's gonna be herbal and kind of not floral, but like, you know, those flower that have a little flower and a huge plant that goes with it. Imagine this like grinded into a perfume. It's what it is. Next fragrance, Aspen by Coty. Really beautiful fragrance. A lot of people say it smells like green Irish tweed. I had a chance to smell green Irish tweed and I would say like, yeah, it has the vibe maybe. It's different. Smell like lemon. There's a lot of lemon in this fragrance. If you hate lemon, you will hate it, but it's a really beautiful fragrance. Smell a lot also like cool water. I don't know if at the time it was made with the same company, but now Davidoff belongs to Coty. Both fragrance smell really similar. I would say the big difference is that both fragrances have a nice little forest behind some strong aroma chemical. Aspen, there's a strong lemon with a forest behind it. And cool water, it's a forest with a strong laundry in front of it. This one is more like you're cleaning your house with the windows open and you smell the forest around it, and water you're doing the laundry or folding the laundry. It's a great scent. Really love it. Next fragrance on the list, Agua Brava by Puig. It's an eau de cologne. It has that really old school eau de cologne, woody eau de cologne vibe. It's a nice scent. If you like all those fragrances in the family of Bowling Green or Eau Sauvage, Versace L'Homme, you're probably gonna enjoy this fragrance. It's the same broad style of those scents. And finally, the last fragrance of the week, it's Acqua di Parma Colonia Essenza by Acqua di Parma. Really nice and natural fragrance, beautiful scent. At the time it was made, this is actually like a remade or flanker of an original fragrance, which is Acqua di Parma Colonia, which is, I think, a transparent bottle, but it looks yellow or something like that. And now it's kind of remade of the same fragrance just to modernize it, make it longer lasting. Overall, somewhat of a better fragrance. Some people might enjoy the other better, but I think it's really nice. If you want something natural, that's good. Great fragrance. And really for summer, that's a really nice, elegant, natural fragrance when you want to dress up, look sharp, and have a beautiful fragrance for summer. So, hope you enjoyed the video. If it's the case, like and share. If you have any fragrance, any fresh fragrance you really love and that you've been wearing this week, just put it in the comment. So thanks for watching and see you soon.